Hi, name is David Tan. I moved here from Serangoon Garden some 23 years ago in the year of 2002. I think I first heard of it through internet, probably on YouTube videos, and then sometime after COVID, I visited Singapore Discovery Centre and was amazed to see it firsthand. Lots of solar panels floating on the lake, on the roof, and even on the sheltered walkway. I'm quite a person who want to try something new. I also thought it would be quite romantic to live grid-free, off the grid. And I actually have an EV, so I thought again it would be more sensible to be able to drive an EV that is charged with the solar power. And of course, hoping also to recover some financial incentive from saving energy from the solar. Obviously, my monthly utility bill has come down, so much so that now I have a credit instead of a debit. And I think with the current credit that I'm receiving, I was able to offset the other utility, which is water, that I'm using. So I'm almost, I would say, net zero in terms of financial. Of course, in terms of personal wise, I felt I'm doing my small little part for the world, not have less carbon emission. To be honest, I can't have any benchmark what to expect, but now looking at the numbers, I think my ROI will be shorter than what I initially calculated. So yeah, in summary, yes, financially, yes. I think certainly it has performed to my expectation, even though I'm probably the pioneer in this estate to have it installed. There's a sense of satisfaction that I'm have emitting less carbon. I'm can able to live off grid, and probably in some way part of the total defense. In any eventuality, I'm able to still have my power compared to my neighbor. Well, with the Fusion Solar app, I compare it with a couple of my friends who uses other app. I think all of us agree that the Fusion Solar app is definitely more user-friendly and also more informative. So I think there are always some concern about fire safety, high voltage, but I appointed I think an experienced installer who has QP, qualified personnel, that probably able to go through all this mitigation to make sure that the whole system is safe. So with that, yeah, I'm very comfortable now. I would say the process is very smooth. Of course, after the thing was running, is the wait for the commissioning, and then the SP coming in to so-called install the 2 meters. So yep, everything went on smoothly with a little bit of wait here and there, but well, it went well. It's future-proofing our system. We definitely can live with solar in Singapore tropical weather with a lot of wide spectrum of sunlight throughout the whole day. I think they can look forward to make sure that they have, say for example, hybrid inverters, so that they can consider to have energy storage system. They could consider maybe a final adjustment like with optimizer, so that in the event of any shading, the system still work fine. I think Huawei has been a very renowned brand, reputable, reliable. So I think there was never any consideration why not choose Huawei the other way around. I did quite a thorough evaluation process. I got 4 installers to quote me. I give them what I want, so that they quote me apple to apple as I can compare. And after that, I go through their background, their experiences, and the list of references that they have done. And finally, who I chose is because of the track record and the confidence that they have given me that with the QP, everything will be smooth and sailing.
Hi, my name is Terry, and I'm the Technical Sales Engineer with LAPP. I typically assist the installers, or what we call EPCs, with the product recommendations and both residential and commercial homes. Safety is the #1 priority for any solar installation. The solar system is supposed to last for at least 10 years. So we do not want any electrical fires or any panels falling off the roof during that time. With the recent proliferations of PV systems in Singapore, there have been a number of PV fires that happen as well. This is mainly due to overheating issues, such as due to poor workmanship or undersized components such as the cables. Using certified products such as Huawei's inverters and LAPP's Earthflex solar cables will give you a peace of mind. They are certified with either TÜV, EN or IEC standards. which are used globally. Like for example, Huawei's inverters are TÜV certified and have advanced safety features such as the arc fault circuit interrupter or AFCI built into every single inverter. So what does AFCI do? Basically AFCI detects a electrical arc or a electrical flash on the DC string side, and when it detects such a fault, the inverter will shut itself down to protect the entire system. So Huawei's Luna 2000 batteries comes with 4 layers of safety. So the 4 layers of safety are both physical and digital. There are temperature sensors inside the battery pack. They'll detect any abnormal temperatures. This will shut down the battery if needed, and if that fails, there will be a physical layer such as the fire extinguishing powder that will release itself once a certain temperature is hit. So these batteries are actually very safe. So if homeowners want an additional peace of mind, they can also opt for the optimizer solutions that comes with module level monitoring in the Fusion Solar app, and also it comes with the rapid shutdown capabilities. All of these products are actually weatherproof. Another important component is the cable, which a lot of people overlook, but do not realize it is where electrical fires start due to poor workmanship or poor quality cables. These problems do not surface immediately after installation, but over a few years, where the cables start to degrade due to oils leaving the cable installation, thus making the cable protection brittle and fall off. They may cause short circuits and arcing. So it's important to choose cables that are properly certified, as this certification tests the longevity of the cables. LAPP Earthflex solar cables are certified in both EN and IEC standards. Homeowners should look for installers with good track records and good project references. They should ask their providers what brands they use. This to ensure that both good workmanship and good products are being used. They go hand in hand. For example, Huawei's inverters have 10 years warranties, and they typically do one-to-one exchange for faulty products. Like I said, choose a good service provider who uses good quality products with the correct certification. While it's important we go green and save money, at the same time, we must not forget safety is important for yourself and your loved ones. Solar has been in Singapore for many years. As long as you choose wisely, I don't see why you should wait.